Hi, my name is Anthony Myers. I'm with KCBR. Today we're in our showroom kitchen vignette. I'm going to talk to you about the faucet sink functionalities and how we kind of get to make sure we're fulfilling kind of your needs when designing a kitchen. In this kitchen, we have a Touch 2.0 faucet. You basically touch it to turn it on. A lot of the times in our kitchens, we do the Insta-Hot. It's through InSinkErator. We'll incorporate an inline water filter. Insta-Hots are really good once it comes to needing instant hot water. It's one of the things for coffee, cleaning, any tea. It's instant boiling water once it comes to that. When designing kind of this kitchen area or this part of your kitchen, we'll go through garbage disposal buttons. Are you going to need a soap dispenser? All of those different options. In our kitchen vignette, we have a Franke Culinary sink. With Franke, they're known for their accessories once it comes to all the different options and kind of accessories that you can utilize for a sink. A lot of people don't really realize how many different accessories there are for sinks. That's one of the good things about our design team is we'll go through and talk through all those different options through you. One of the big things that is a big hit right now is pot fillers. As you can see, we have one in our showroom kitchen. One of the things pot fillers are used for are water instantly at your stovetop. It helps whenever you're filling bowls for boiling water, any of those kind of items. We do them a lot at coffee stations. If you have kind of an area that you have coffee, just where you're not having to carry your pitcher across the kitchen in order to fill up a coffee pot. So whenever our design team kind of works through designing the kitchen, this is one of the kind of most important areas that we kind of talk through to make sure that we're fulfilling all your needs when you utilize your kitchen every day.